We start with daily charges. I want to give a quick update. And if we refer to our analysis, since the price was here, we come up with this support. And as we can see, the price broke 23 cents. That's why I mentioned we can expect the price drop even to 23. Now the price broke the 23 cents. What's the next? Whether we can expect the price reverse from here, since based on lower time frame we have a divergence, or if whether we can look for continuation. Because if there is a continuation, then we can look for 10 cent. That's when with the breakout of the 15, we can look for 12 and 10 cent. And this is the key point. If there is a breakout of this correction, then we can look for 15, 12, and 10. If not, then we can look for the reversal. All right. That's why since the price was here, we mentioned how deep it can go, and it dropped more than what we expected. The only thing is, if there is a continuation, even based on daily chart, we have a divergence, and even based on a lower time frame. That's why we want to see what we will get here. If there is a reversal, we look for buy, okay? And but if there is a continuation and we see this the divergences disappear, and with the breakout of the 15, then we can look for 12 and 10. Then we have to look for the chart differently. But even at this point, the price could break the 23 cent. Now I'm looking whether I can get any reversal point from within this correction or not. Anyway, we move to higher time frame. We move to daily, monthly chart. Based on monthly chart, I don't see anything else. I mean, anything to discuss, because now can we consider this one as a 1, 2, 3 or not? But what we get here following by this sharp, I don't think simply we can put this one in relative to what we have here. We have to look at the chart differently. Anyway, we don't care about that. And we have been looking to see the breakout of the 53. The price couldn't break because we mentioned with the breakout of the 53, we can look for 65. And with the breakout of the all-time high, we have been looking for 1.23. Okay. And as I mentioned, based on monthly chart, we don't see anything to discuss. And if we move to weekly chart, similar explanation. All right. Now, this is the things, as I mentioned, based on daily, monthly chart, whether we can look for this one as a flat or not, because of what we get here, and this is how we get. All right. For me, I'm not really interested to look at this one as a flat, but still we can consider this one as a flat. That's why I don't consider, I mean, I don't care about this. The only thing is, based on daily chart or lower time frame, I'm looking for the reversal. Any opportunity for as a reversal, I will take it. And then from there, we want to see how it behave and how it's moved, because even we can expect the price reverse from here, then we see the deep correction within this range, then we can look for this one. That's why any reversal doesn't mean the price is going to break the previous stop. Okay, but any opportunity for buy, will take it. And as I mentioned, at this point, to put this drop in relative to what we have here, we can consider it that way as a running flat, but I'm not really interested to look at the chart in that way, and we don't need to care about that. Anyway, if we move to daily chart, if the price continue and drop, if we see the divergence, then from there we look for buy. And based on daily chart, I don't see any trade setup. And if I move to forward chart, all right, as we can see, the price is at almost at the lowest price of this part, this correction. Following, if there is a breakout, we will have a divergence. Then any reversal as a flag, we will take it, and we look for we consider as a short-term trade. Then from there, we want to see whether the price can break the 23 cent or not. And stop loss, where it be, if we want to see how the price reverse. If there is a breakout, I mean the price break the lowest price of this correction, then from there, if we want to look for the stop loss, we look for the previous low. Where will be the previous low? All right. This is what we have it. At least we have to look for 15 or 13. All right. And again, it depends on the strategy and the risk and reward they're looking for. But at this point, we have to wait. We want to see if the price couldn't break this low, there is a reversal from here as a sharp move flag, then we can put somewhere around 17. Again, it depends on the strategy the traders are using. And if we move to 1 hour chart, even based on 1 hour chart, see we can look for the divergence. Now, any opportunity for buy as a divergence, this is the as a sharp, I mean, follow, any reversal following by divergence, if we get any sharp flag, this is the only way we can look for trade at this point, and we consider it as a short-term trade. We want to see whether the price, if there is a reversal with a breakout of the 23, then we keep the trade. But at this point, we have to wait. Okay, and because simply we cannot take the trade, because as I mentioned, we have to look for the trade setup, and because we cannot take the trade, because we can expect the price continue and drop as a corrective move, then this one will disappear, and in that case we can expect even the price drop to 10 cent. That's why we have to look for the reversal, and we have to look for the trade setup. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.